Hello, my name is Cristian Baron, I'm 23 years old and I'm from Ibagué, the musical city of Colombia. I'm an architecture student at the University of Ibagué. And being here, it's been a great experience. I've learned many things about my field, but I also have understand how the architecture help the city gets better and change the habits of the citizens, making them better people. I also have met many people of other careers that have helped me through the process, and they complement my knowledge. I think passion is the key in life, so I try to put all of my effort in every task that I have. I also think that my actions must be directed with responsibility, ethic, and commitment. So, let me be part of your team, share the experience, and have a great summer this year.